this one's the uncreatively named Family Coaster, which is an exact, well, a near clone of Dragonfly at Duinrell, except this one's a little tamer for my first rides. I'm hoping it's a little wilder in the back, but the airtime pops are designed out, so we'll see if I can get them in the back. But still a good layout, nice and smooth, and yeah, great for families. Also like how you can see Hypercoaster right behind me. Here we go. Definitely throws you around a bit. Definitely a fun ride. Yeah. If you like this layout, definitely try Dragonfly Duinrell. That one's an even wilder version.